To easily start and stop voice recording from your lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you have to add the voice recorder widget to the widget bar on the lock screen. To do so, long tap on an empty area on your home screen, and then tap Wallpaper and Style. Tap the lock screen thumbnail. Here you can see a widget bar just below the clock. It may show Add Widget or already a widget. Tap the bar to show up the widget list. Scroll down the widget list. Tap Voice Recorder. Scroll down the screen. And then tap the 1x1 voice recorder widget to add it to the widget bar. Tap Done button to save the change. To see the result, go to your lock screen. As you can see, the 1x1 voice recorder widget is displayed under the clock. With this widget, when your phone is locked, you can simply tap the widget to start or stop a voice recording without unlocking your phone. Given to the function, this widget lets you quickly capture audio moment without unlocking your phone. It's fast and convenient way to record on the go. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.